We can see we have a check engine light. That is because of a low voltage. When the vehicle is being driven and the RPM rises above 1500 RPM, the charge light will come off. Now you can see that the RPM is below 1500. If I should step on the accelerator, the battery light goes away, telling us that the system is charged. Now we have gotten to our destination. We want to take a voltage test on the charging system from the battery by connecting the two terminals, the positive and negative terminals. And as you can see, we're getting approximately 11, a little bit above 11 volts. If I should increase the RPM on the engine, so the voltage does not increase.